Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find these video to be helpful, please like it and consider subscribing for more contents. If you already subscribed, thanks for it. So in this video, we are going to learn how we can solve one more mistake or one more, you can say, the error kind of things in Go language, so that we can improve the coding of Go language and we can make ourselves the master of this language. So you see, this is a simple program. We have an array of two value. Here I have passed the value 1 and 2. This is a, and I create a function a, and I'm passing this array to this function, and I'm changing a value of first position, means in place of 1 I want to replace 8, and then I'm using it. If I run this code, you will surprise that value is not changed. 1 and 2 is coming. So you see that if before this array, this function, if I run this, again we have the 2 times the same value. So no effect of this code. I am changing a value, but value is not changing. Why? Use your mind and you say it's a simple array, value should be changed. But in Go language, we can't change the value of array like this. We have to use a slices for that. You see, I'm using a slices. I'm not passing here the size. Now it is a slice. Slice means is a part of a array. And in Go language, we can replace the value of slice because it's a part of array, but we can't replace the value of array. You see the same example. I am not change anything, but before the function calling we have 1 and 2. After function calling, the value change, in place of 1 we have 8 because I am using slices. But if I use again array, you see, again same thing, but no error. We do not have any error, but we will confuse on coding time that why this code is not changing. So remember that in array we can't change in Go language like this, but we can change by using slices. So just use slice to overcome such kind of problem, such kind of mistakes in Go language. I think you have learned something from this video. So if you really learn, then kindly consider to be subscribe this channel, like this video, share this video, and thanks for watching this video also.